Hey everyone, thanks for coming back. This is Carlos with the Institute of Musical Arts. We're continuing with the series of Besame Mucho, and today I'm going to teach you the second part of the song on the higher octave, okay, so the variation. Okay, for now, we finished on the last video by doing the This is what I'm going to teach you today. We're going to go back to the beginning of the first part. Let's get started. We're going to start by after we finish our A minor. We're going to go with our fingers. 2 is going to go to the 6th fret of the 3rd string, and finger 1 is going to go to the 5th fret of the 1st string. And we're going to play with index and ring on our right hand. And we're going to do index, ring. Then after that, our finger 2 is going to move 1 fret over to the 7th fret of the 3rd string, and it's going to be accompanied by our finger 3 on the same fret, the 7th, but on the 1st string. And we're going to play them together. They're going to look like this. So we go, and then we move these two guys 2 frets over, and we play them again, index, ring. So it goes like this. Then we're going to do from where they are, right there, we're going to do a half bar on the fret that is immediately right after that, which is the 10th fret. And we're going to do a half bar on the lower 3 strings, and we're going to play 4, then 3 to 1, then the 1st string with the middle finger, and then 4, 3 to 1 again. Then our finger 4 is going to go to the 13th fret of the 2nd string, and it's going to be followed by the 12th fret of the 2nd string with finger number 3. Okay, and that's going to be with middle index. So after this, to the 2nd string, leave all the fingers there, and we play 13th fret with the 4th finger, and then 12th fret with finger 3. Okay? Goes like this. And then we're going to bring our finger that was a half bar down to the 1st string, still on the 10th fret, and we're going to play 5, 1, and then we're going to move it back 2 frets and place our fingers in the shape of what we know to be as a D minor, okay, like this. Finger 1 is on the 8th fret of the 1st string. Finger 2 is on the 9th fret of the 3rd string, and finger 3 is on the 10th fret of the 2nd string, okay? So that's the position. Then we're going to play the 1st string with the middle finger, and then 5, 3 to 1, and then our finger 4 is going to go, we leave the fingers right here, and our finger 4 is going to go to the 12th fret of the 2nd string. We play with the middle, then we remove it and play again the 2nd string. Let me repeat this. Then 5, 3 to 1, then 12th fret of the 2nd string, and then we remove it, and of course we still have our finger 3 right here on the 10th fret. Let me go back from right here. 1st string by itself, 5, 3 to 1, 2nd string, 12th fret, 10th fret. Let me play from the beginning of this new section. And then we're going to move our fingers back 1 fret. Finger 3 can just be sliding back. And we're going to do a half bar on the 7th fret. And finger 3 is going to stay on the 9th fret of the 2nd string. And we're going to do 6, 3, 2, 1. And then 1, 1. And then 6, 3, 2, 1. So we do 6, 3, 2, 1. 1, 1. 6, 3, 2, 1. Then we do a first string with our finger number 2 is going to be on the 8th fret, I'm sorry. And then our finger number 4 is going to go on the 10th fret, okay? So, goes like this. And this was with middle index. Let me do it again. From right here. And after you're gonna go into that same D minor looking, which is really an A minor, but the one that looks like a D minor with the finger 1 on the 8th fret. And you're going to play that with our finger 4 on the 12th fret. We really don't need our finger 1 here, but we're going to use it just so that it's easier for you to put the position. And we're going to play 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 5, 3, 2, 1. So we come from this. Like this. Then, from the beginning. Then, our finger 2 is going to stay on the 9th fret of the 3rd string, and we're going to pair it with our finger 3 on the 1st fret, on the 10th fret of the 1st string. And then we're going to play those together. Then we move in one fret over to the 11th fret. To the 10th fret. We were on the 9th, we go to the 10th, and then we go to the 12th fret. Like this. Okay, we're coming from this. Okay, 9th fret, 3rd and 1st, 10th, 12th, and then we go back to our bar that we had earlier on the 10th fret, half bar. We do 4, then 3 to 1, then 1. I repeat 4, 3 to 1, 1, and then we're going to do 4, 3 to 1, leaving this bar right here and using our finger 4 on the 13th fret. Okay, so. And then our finger 3 on the 12th fret. And then our finger 1 on the 10th fret. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay? Here, let me repeat. And then finger 4 on the 12th fret of the 1st string and play with the 5th string. And then you go back to our A minor, which looks like a D minor, right here on the 8th fret, 9th and 10th, like this, as we've been using this position. So we play 12th fret, 1st string, then we remove it, and we play 3 to 1. 5, 1 with the 12th fret, and then we remove it, and we play 3, 2, 1. So. Then we put our finger back on the 12th fret, or finger 4. We play 1 time with the middle finger, and then we do 5, 3 to 1. Okay? Play it with the middle first by itself, and then 5, 3, 2, 1. Then we remove it and we're gonna play the first string just as it is and the second string. Okay? So like that. Okay? And then we're gonna move these fingers back 1 fret like that, just like we did before. Bar on the 7th fret, and this finger 3 is going to be on the 9th fret of the second string. And we're gonna play 6, 3, 1, which is thumb, index ring, and then the second string with the middle finger. So we come from this. Okay, and then we're going to do the first string by itself, and then 6, 3, 2, 1. So kind of the same pattern. First string by itself, and then 6, 3, 2, 1. And then we're gonna play our finger 2 on the 8th fret with the middle finger right here. This is finger 2. And then we remove it again and play the first string. So right here on this position, after we play 6, 3, 1, and then 2, then we play the first string by itself, 6, 3, 2, 1, second finger on the 8th fret, and then we remove it and play again on the 7th fret, like that. Okay? We get a little closer for this one. So, we do. After that, we're going to move this bar 2 frets over to the 9th fret, and we're going to put our finger 4 right here on the 12th fret. And we play 6, 1, then 3, 2, and then 6, 1, 2, 3 with ring, middle, index. So I repeat, 6, 1, 3, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3. So, coming from this. And after that, we're gonna play our strum number 1 that we've learned before, the down, down, up, down, up. When we first do it, instead of doing a full strum, we're gonna play 6, 3, 2, 1, okay, and then down, up, down, up. But we're gonna concentrate on the lower 4 strings. We wanna try not to play the 5th string, okay? So it's down, down, up, down, up. Except that the first down we're doing 6, 3, 2, 1. All right, so I'm going to do this one more time. And then we're going to go into an E7 chord, and we're going to do strum 1, as I call it, the same down, down, up, down, up. After the, and then back into the first part of the melody. So only one strum right here on the E7. All right, so as always, if you have any questions, send me an email. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you next time, and thanks so much for watching.